Using a bit of algebra and our knowledge of even positive integers, how the sum of the squares of these two integers is always going to be a multiple of 4. Okay, this means to be able to be confident with proof questions, you've got to have a good understanding of course, your basic things like number, algebra, how it's used, how do you set up expressions, equations, formulae, etc. Okay, so I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So because they've told us the sum of the squares of any two even positive integers, well, we can first of all start by breaking this down. Okay, so first they've mentioned the sum, so that means I need an add sign between two of my integers. Then they've suggested that it's the squares of any two integers, positive integers. That means that's my integer 1, that's my integer 2. Okay, right now I don't know what they are, but it's going to be the sum of the squares. So I need to add my little square symbols there. Okay. Next, it's two even positive integers. Okay. Because it's even, does anyone know what even integers always have to have a property? Property for even integers? Anyone? Okay, so even integers are always a multiple of 2. Okay, so that means whatever I choose here, so I'm going to choose it to be 2n, okay, as my first positive integer. I've got to have it being multiplied by 2 because it is a multiple of 2. That is the only way it can be a positive, an even integer. Okay, next I've got to have 2m over here. Not I've got to, but I've got to have 2, and then any letter I could pick,